There's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. We're still waiting on parts of the Jaguar, parts for the truck and parts for the Corvette. But it's sunny outside, so in today's video we're going to restore the convertible top of this Beetle, so this Beetle can enjoy the sun as much as that we do. So we will close the top, put this Beetle in the shop and clean her down. So we blew all the dust off the cabrio. Now it's time to start with this soft top cleaner. And then she needs to wait out in the sun till it's dry. And after she's dry, then we can apply the soft top reviver. So we got her moisturized now. So now it's time to apply the cleaner. So we got the cleaner all over the convertible roof. Now we need to wait for 20 minutes, then get a damp sponge and then rub it in and then wash it all off. So we waited 10 to 15 minutes. Now we got a moisturized sponge and then we go across the top and then wash her off. So after we washed off all the debris, it's now time to let her dry out in the sun. Okay guys, so it's the next day. We got the convertible back in the shop after drying her for a whole day, nice out in the sun. So we're going to blow the dust off and then get ready to put the reviver on. So we treated the complete convertible top with the reviver. Now it has to dry for 3 hours and then finish her off with the protection coating. So we waited for another 3 hours for the top to dry, and I must say it's in perfect condition, almost looks like brand new. But now we need to put a final coating on that makes it protected against UV and also against mold and mildew, and also makes it waterproof again. So the protection coat is on. We have to wait for another 3 hours and then we will show you the end result. Okay guys, so here's the end result of a 2 to 3 day cleaning. And she looks amazing. As you can see, the complete black color came back on the top. And of course there are still some nicks and necks here on the top, but that was already on the top before the cleaning. So I'm really happy with this end result. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Hopefully you like this video and you can get your convertible tops clean as well. If you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Hopefully see you in our next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.